In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell AliExpress products on Wix step by step. First, you're going to want to navigate to Wix's official website and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, open the website where you intend to sell your AliExpress products. You should see an option to edit your site. Click on that. Next, ensure that Wix Stores is installed to help you efficiently manage your products, orders, and payments. If you haven't done this yet, it's a crucial step that sets the foundation for handling the back-end processes of your online store. With Wix ready, turn your attention to AliExpress. Head over to their website to start scouting for products. The key here is to look for items with high ratings, preferably 4 stars or above, and a significant number of orders, as this indicates popularity. Consider reasonable shipping times, which is vital for customer satisfaction. Also, always inspect suppliers' reviews, ratings, and shipping options to guarantee reliability. As you browse, it's wise to choose a specific niche like gadgets, fashion, or home decor. Zeroing in on a targeted category aids in marketing and helps build customer trust. Once you've identified your products, return to Wix and click on Manage Products. As Wix doesn't offer a direct integration with AliExpress, you'll have 2 methods to add products. The manual option involves downloading images and descriptions from AliExpress, then going to your Wix dashboard, selecting Store Products, and adding each new product yourself. You'll input all necessary details such as images, titles, descriptions, and pricing. However, for ease and efficiency, I recommend using a dropshipping app like Modellist or DSers. These apps integrate seamlessly with Wix, allowing you to automate product imports, pricing, and inventory management. Subsequently, determine your pricing and profit margins. This involves considering the cost from AliExpress, any applicable shipping fees, Wix's transaction fees, and your desired profit margin, which typically ranges from 30 to 50%. Offering bundles or discounts is a compelling way to attract buyers. Then navigate to your dashboard under Settings to configure shipping options. Set these based on your selected regions, rates, and AliExpress shipping times to provide realistic delivery expectations. Moving forward, you'll need to establish payment methods. Go to Accept Payments on your Settings dashboard and enable gateways such as PayPal or Stripe. Don't forget to test the payment flow to guarantee smooth order processing. Having arranged your products and payments, it's time to publish and promote your store. Make it visible on your website and leverage platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or Google for promotion. Consider using email campaigns and crafting SEO-friendly product titles for organic reach. Lastly, fulfill orders by placing them on AliExpress using your customer's information, confirm shipping, and share tracking details. Maintaining exceptional customer service is essential in building and sustaining trust. To optimize your experience, start with a small product range, focus on high-demand items, and utilize dropshipping apps for automated management. Listen to customer feedback to continually refine your offerings. Happy selling!